Welcome to our channel. Today we're exploring the incredible 2025 Garuda Can-Am Spyder F3, a bold new chapter in three-wheeled performance and design. This special edition machine takes the already aggressive and powerful Spyder F3 to the next level with a fresh identity inspired by the spirit of freedom and strength, just like the mythical Garuda it's named after. The 2025 Garuda Can-Am Spyder F3 is built for those who crave adrenaline and attention. Its design features sharp lines, custom graphics, and exclusive body colors that make it a true standout on the road. Powered by the proven Rotax 1330 ACE engine, it delivers strong torque and smooth, responsive performance across all terrains. Whether you're riding solo or with a passenger, the stability and road grip are unmatched thanks to its three-wheel layout and advanced suspension setup. One of the standout features of the Garuda edition is its enhanced comfort and tech upgrades. It includes a premium seat with contrast stitching, smart UFit system for ergonomic riding positions, and a full-color digital display with Bluetooth connectivity. Navigation, audio, and ride data are all right at your fingertips, making every ride smarter and smoother. Safety is never compromised. With advanced ABS, traction control, and a powerful braking system, riders can push limits with confidence. The Garuda edition also includes LED lighting upgrades and custom wheels that elevate its road presence even further. For those looking for a machine that's as fearless as it is functional, the 2025 Garuda Can-Am Spyder F3 delivers on all fronts. It's not just a ride, it's a statement. Don't forget to like this video, share it with fellow enthusiasts, and subscribe for more unique automotive reviews. Tell us in the comments, would you take the Garuda Spyder F3 on your next epic ride?